Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are preparing rice kheer. So here I've soaked one small glass of rice for about 1 to 4 hours according to your convenience. We'll cook this rice in a cooker for 2 whistles with 1 portion of rice and 2 portion of water without salt. So here the rice is ready now. I'm not using so much of rice, I'll just use 1 cup. So we have 100 grams of sweet Khoya here, 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of Milkmaid, 2 tablespoons of ghee, a few dry grapes, 1 liter milk, a few badam, kaju, and very little food color. So here I've used a non-stick kadhai, to which I'll be adding 1 liter of milk without water, and we will boil it. So once the milk is boiling, we will start to add the rice. I'll show you the measurement of the rice. We will be using only 1 cup or 1 small or medium sized bowl rice here. We'll mix it well and then sprinkle 1 or 2 pinch of food color here. You can use orange or lemon yellow food color. So mix that well. We'll cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes on a high flame in non-stick pan, or if you're using a normal vessel, make sure you cook for 20 to 25 minutes on low to medium flame. The rice is ready now. It should become very soft and mushy, and then we'll add sugar and Khoya and cook this again for 15 minutes on high flame in a non-stick kadhai, or in a normal vessel you will have to cook this for 20 to 25 minutes. So here if you're using non-stick, it will be very easy because you'll have to stir that occasionally, or if you're using a normal vessel, then you'll have to stir this continuously and cook on a medium flame. If not, the base might stick or it might burn as well. So make sure you cook it on low to medium flame on a normal vessel. So here we'll wait until the kheer reduces its quantity or it's cooked really well. So here, as you can see, the quantity is reduced. The kheer is ready now. We'll just turn off the flame and add Milkmaid to the kheer. You can use any one if you don't have Khoya and Milkmaid available. So here I'm using 1/4 cup of Milkmaid. So if you're using only Milkmaid without Khoya, you can use half of the Milkmaid, or if you do not have Milkmaid, then use only Khoya with sugar according to your taste. So here I've heated the ghee. I've added all the dry fruits here. We'll cook this for about 30 minutes. 30 seconds to 1 minute, and we'll just fry this until the grapes are like cooked well or sauteed well. So now we'll add the mixture to the kheer. We'll mix it well and serve this once it's completely cool, or you can chill this for a few minutes in the fridge and then serve this. So I hope you liked my recipe, and if you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do try that at home and let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned until my next video.